Hello everyone, my name is Pooja. Welcome back to my channel PM Professionals. In this video, we will be telling you about the top project management certifications today. So if you like this video, click on the like button, and to know more about project management, please subscribe my channel. So let's get started. Any project manager needs a formal certification in order to learn new techniques and to implement these techniques, which will improve the productivity and will also help them to climb the next step in their professional career. And as there are a significant number of courses in the market and the best way to choose the one which suits you, it's must to know the details, the principles of the course in concise manner. So let's have a look at these 5 such courses that have high demand in the industry. So, number 1, Project Management Professional Certification is also known as PMP. So PMP is like the gold standard in project management certifications. It's a widely accepted certification and popular all over the globe. This certification is authorized by PMI, Project Management Institute. The PMP certification covers absolutely everything you need to prove your knowledge and skills in managing the triple constraints, time, cost, and scope. And the eligibility criteria of this certification is you need to have 4-year secondary degree plus 3 years of project management experience, which is 4,500 hours leading and directing projects and 35 hours of project management education, or a high school diploma with 5 years of project management experience, 7,500 hours leading and directing projects, and 35 hours of PDUs. So, moving on. Projects in controlled environments. PRINCE2. It is most well-known certification, especially in the UK. The PRINCE2 certifications are focused on directing, managing, delivering projects across all the phases. The pre-project, initiation, delivery, even in the final delivery. So there are 2 primary qualifications, PRINCE2 Foundation and PRINCE2 Practitioner. The Foundation certification is an entry-level credential that tests basic project management methodology. However, the Practitioner certification tests advanced project managers who have already achieved PRINCE2 Foundation. So, moving on, number 3, Certified Scrum Master, CSM. The Scrum is a popular project management framework that helps to get more work done in shorter period of time. While there are different Scrum Master certifications available, the CSM from Scrum Alliance is great jumping off point for project managers getting started as Scrum practitioner. The Scrum Alliance, which offers this credential, is a non-profit organization that encourages the adoption of Scrum and Agile practices, promotes user groups and learning events, and provides resources for professional development. At present, there are approximately 400,000 certified Scrum Master in the world, which shows the importance and popularity of this methodology. And to have this certification, you need to have general familiarity with Scrum and completion of 2-day CSM training course. Okay, so moving on, number 4, CompTIA Project Plus. This certification is for entry-level professionals which follows the general project management model. Once you complete this certification, you will be able to apply for entry-level roles into project management, such as project analyst and project coordinator. And to have this certification, it's recommended to have 1 year of experience into managing, directing, participating in small to medium size of projects. And the final one, number 5, Certified Project Manager, CPM. This is a reputed project management certification provided by the International Association of Project Managers, IAPM. This certification is for candidates with a foundational knowledge of project management, including the basics of planning, organization, and implementation of various projects. The exam covers both the hard and soft aspect of the project management. So with this, hope you all like this video about the top 5 project management certifications. I will mention the links in the description box of the relevant websites to proceed ahead with these certifications. So if you like this video, don't forget to like this and do subscribe my channel to know more about project management. Thank you everyone.